Got the bees robbing out. Some honey frames that I had in the freezer. Looks like they're taking care of business. Looks like I got a visitor in the bee yard. Where you got out at? Huh? You need to go back in the chicken yard before a dog gets you. Get on back over there. Let's look and see if they're getting on the pollen patty. Yeah, looks like they just put this in here yesterday. And looks like they're in there eating it up. Alright. Let's check another one with the pollen patty. Oh, look, it's stuck to the top, but they're eating it up. Okay. Let's go check another one. I didn't put this box back right. Oh yeah, they're getting on that patty. Looks like they're liking it. Okay, y'all move back. Let me close this box. Move back. I'm gonna let it down slow. Get out of the way. Let's go check another one. Now this one's been in here for about 3 days. Oh, there's just a little bit left. Not very much. But the bees were all over it. Let's check this one. This is a small hive. Really should be in one box. Looks like they're tearing into it though. So I'm pretty happy with the global patties. They seem to be doing a good job. Let's check them out. I reduced them down to one box. I see a little lady coming in with some pollen right there. Looks like she's looking for her way in. What is that? Well, no, it looks like some kind of insect. Got a big cockroach on top. I see a bunch of bees on top. I hope they don't jump on me. I ain't got no suit on. Let me get a... Okay, let's crack this lid. Oh, there's a beetle. Let me get him. Watch out, bee. Oh, he went inside. Dang it. Yeah, looks like they're eating on it. I did see a hive beetle up there. I'm gonna have to watch this hive. Wait, I see a bunch of beetles up here on the top. Let me go ahead and get rid of them. Squish, 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 squish. Let me help y'all out, bees. I see y'all wrangled them all up on the top. Here's another one trying to cut across. Got him. All right. Have to keep a check on these regularly. I'm trying to get them to brood up, but I'm gonna have to watch that pollen patty. They seem very calm right now. Go ahead and put this back together. Let me see if I can crack this one. This one was a very aggressive 2 days ago when I put the pollen patties on. Let's see. It's very dangerous doing this without a suit. But yeah, they're all in there. I don't know, they seem like they've calmed down since they got something to eat. You can see how they've eaten it inside the paper in just one day. Okay. I'm liking what I see so far. Okay, so the pollen patties, the bees seem to like them. It's the global patties. I got the 15% pollen, and it has the rocket fuel in it. And I put it on all the hives. I'm just gonna have to keep close contact with the smaller hives. The bigger hives I'm not too worried about, and they can keep the beetles in check. But in small hives, I've heard Mike Berry say that beetles don't destroy a hive, and he's correct. They take care of a weak hive. They will destroy a weak hive. They will take over when they're allowed to. But as long as the hive is strong and you got a good population in the hive, they'll keep those beetles at bay. They'll keep them wrangled up in the top. They'll push them into your beetle traps. They'll take propolis and make little beetle jails. But whenever you don't have enough bees to guard frames, the hive beetles will take over those frames, and they'll lay up those frames, and the sliming starts from there. And it's nothing that the bees can prevent, because they don't have enough numbers to keep those hive beetles away. So just remember that hive beetles don't destroy a hive. A weak hive destroys itself. So keep your hive strong, like I did to this one right here. It was 2 boxes, and I reduced it down to 1 to try to help them guard less frames. There's 8 less frames they have to guard. So we're going to keep a close eye on those. I need to get all these smaller hives through the spring so we can split them and get my numbers back up. But yeah, guys, I'm really satisfied with the global patties so far. They stayed very soft, and the bees seem to like them, so that's what I care about. All right, guys, see y'all in the next one.